Welcome to our exploration of the best AI tools for automating customer support. In today's fast-paced world, efficient customer service is a must, yet traditional methods often fall short. Enter AI, a revolutionary solution that is transforming how businesses interact with their customers. Let's dive into our top picks for AI tools that can take your customer support to the next level. First up, we have Zendesk AI, known for its intuitive interface and powerful analytics. This tool not only automates responses but also learns from interactions to improve future customer engagements. Next on our list is Freshdesk AI. This tool excels in creating a seamless customer experience with its smart automations. It's designed to handle repetitive tasks, freeing up human agents to tackle more complex issues. The result: increased productivity and happier customers. Another standout is Intercom's AI solution. It integrates with your existing systems to provide personalized support at scale. Intercom uses machine learning to route queries to the right agent, reducing wait times and enhancing customer satisfaction. Then there's Ada, an AI-powered chatbot that offers a personalized touch. Ada adapts to your brand's voice and continuously learns from interactions, making it a reliable virtual assistant that can handle a wide range of customer inquiries efficiently. Finally, we have Drift's AI, which focuses on conversational marketing. This tool helps convert potential leads by engaging them in real-time conversations, improving conversion rates while providing excellent customer support. These AI tools are not just about efficiency, they're about empowering your team to deliver exceptional service. By integrating these technologies, businesses can overcome the challenges of traditional customer support. In summary, adopting AI in customer support is no longer a future possibility. It's a present necessity. These tools not only streamline operations, but also provide the insights needed to foster stronger customer relationships. Thank you for joining us on this journey through AI-powered customer support tools.